what business analysis actually is. First question. A manufacturing company is experiencing declining sales. The business analyst discovers that while symptoms include poor customer satisfaction scores, the underlying issue is an outdated ordering system causing delivery delays. Which business analysis principle is being demonstrated? Is it A, business improvement, not IT system change? B, root causes, not symptoms? C, feasible requirements, not meeting all requests? Or D, negotiation, not avoidance? I'll give you guys a few seconds to think of your answer, and then we'll go through which one's wrong and the examiner logic, the examiner thinking behind the questions. Okay. A, business improvement, not IT system change is wrong, as the principle warns against assuming an IT solution is actually required. We don't go off assumptions. We're data-driven. We focus on the data, what we can glean from our investigation techniques. C is also incorrect. So if you said C, you're also wrong. Feasible requirements not meeting all requests. This is because this principle is about evaluating project requirements against constraints. D, negotiation, not avoidance, is also incorrect, as this relates to handling and how stakeholder conflicts are handled. So the correct answer is B, root causes, not symptoms. This is because the BA looked past the immediate symptom, which was poor satisfaction scores, to identify the actual root cause, which was the outdated ordering system of the problem. Moving on to question 2. During which stage of the business change lifecycle would a business analyst typically conduct stakeholder interviews to understand current business problems? Is it A, alignment, B, design, C, realization, or D, definition? Lock in your answers. Okay, let's begin. Alignment is incorrect because alignment ensures that strategy matches the external environment. What's going on in terms of PESTLE, politically, economically, socially, technologically, and how does that align with the organization strategy? B is also incorrect as design involves specifying the physical or digital solution. C is also incorrect as the realization, that's after you've deployed, that's post-implementation benefits review. So the correct answer is D. This is because the definition stage is where the detailed problem investigation, stakeholder interviews, and requirements elicitation, that's when it's done at the definition stage. Question 3. A business analyst has extensive expertise in financial services regulation and compliance, while also possessing strong communication, facilitation, and interpersonal skills across multiple industries. Which model best describes this professional profile? Is it A, a T-shaped professional, B, POPIT model, C, PESTLE framework, or D, stakeholder wheel? Few seconds to lock in your answers. Okay. POPIT model is incorrect because POPIT models a holistic business system. So that's people, organization, processes, information, and technology. So that's not what they're describing here in terms of a business analyst that has extensive expertise in these fields. PESTLE framework is also incorrect. The last question, PESTLE refers to the macro environment surrounding an organization. Stakeholder wheel, D, is incorrect as the stakeholder wheel is used purely for categorization. So the correct answer is A, T-shaped professional. This is because the model uses the vertical bar to represent deep specialist knowledge, that would be finance, and the horizontal bar for broad general skills like the communication given in this example. Next question. Which of the following activities is not included in the business analysis service framework? A, stakeholder management, B, requirements definition, C, business process improvement, or D, project management? Few seconds to lock in your answers. This should be an easy one because we're looking at what the business analysis service framework actually holds. So we know stakeholder engagement is part of that. So A is incorrect. We know requirements definition is also a part of that business analysis service framework. Business process improvement is also a part of the business analysis framework, business analysis service framework. So the correct answer is D, because project management is completely separate and distinct, focused on planning and controlling work. So not a core BA service. That's part of the framework. So you've just watched me go through 4 questions about what business analysis actually is. The Foundation Pro system actually has 210 of these questions, all with the examiner logic, the examiner thinking defined. So every wrong answer is explained there. You've got 5 full mocks, so you can get used to them, start practicing with those mocks so you get used to how it feels when the exam is actually happening. And you've got 190 flashcards you can use to do spaced repetition. £97, 12 months access. And if you sit this exam after using the app and do not pass, I'll refund the £97 back. Thank you so much. That's all for now. See ya. Wouldn't want to beat ya.